Good morning, Appleton North, and welcome to today's episode of The Spark.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, ladies, lads, and other wonderful folks. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of The Spark. And to start, we're going to have Mr. Bleck and Mr. Salm doing a lovely impression of the Cranberry Man. You can also find a related berry smoothie recipe in the description. Enjoy!
Hey, it's Mr. Bleck.
Hey, it's Mr. Salm.
Woo! Hey, we're the two health teachers here at Appleton North, and I know you guys are going through a lot of different things mentally, physically, emotionally, and we just wanted to get together and bring you a quick minute on how to enjoy life, how to be well.
Just like making a crazy video out in front of the school. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But it's really important. Mental health, just our physical health, and Mr. Bleck and I have years of experience and we know how to handle these types of things. So we're going to share a little experience with you and hopefully make your day a little bit better.
Take care. See you next week.
Oh, hey, Mr. Bleck. What brings you here?
Hey, I'm just here for our healthy minute.
Hey, good to see ya.
Alrighty, and next we have a segment from Appleton North's DECA chapter.
DECA is my favorite part of the day. It's the part I look forward to after a long day of work for all my classes. It's a place where I can express my creativity and where all my hard work pays off.
Two of my favorite things are competing and making memories, and I feel like DECA really brings that out for me. Being able to spend time with all the officers and my friends in DECA.
Going to the state competition and staying at the nicest hotel I've ever stayed at, and getting close to people that I would have never talked to originally. In DECA, nobody's really judgmental and everyone just talks to each other, and I love that culture.
Not only do you create a close bond with your DECA chapter, but you have many opportunities to meet new people from around the state and the world.
In DECA, you can prepare for a future career by competing in events in marketing, finance, hospitality, and management. You can also participate in monthly volunteer opportunities.
In DECA, we do competitive events and community service projects. This lets us get a ton of experience and have a lot of fun.
The amount of networking opportunities that present itself to you is unbelievable, and there's definitely something for everyone.
But also because of the people you'll meet. I've met quite a few people at competition, be it state or districts, and I still am in contact with the majority of them just because they're great people with interests that are super similar to mine.
Alrighty, if you want to find out more about DECA or you missed their social media handle, both of those are linked in the description below. Next, we have a Share Your Spark feature with Appleton North's Ethan Germain here to talk about music and how it's impacted him during quarantine.
What's up, Appleton North? My name is Ethan Germain, and if you happen to know me, I'm a senior this year, you know that I love music. I'm in the bands here at Appleton North, I'm in a local cover band called Pass the Aux, and I'm a songwriter. And music has really got me through 2020 so far. When quarantine hit and I was locked down in my house and I had nothing else to do, I went to making music. I was able to take the ideas, feelings, frustration that was in my mind and just put it on the page and make something out of it. And it was really nice to have that because it gave me a way to express how I felt and just gave me something to work on and be busy with. And if I learned anything from doing so, I learned that even when people are feeling down, even when it doesn't look like there's a light at the end of the tunnel, there is. You just gotta wait through it. You just gotta push through. So I'm gonna play for you guys one of my songs that I wrote on this new EP that's gonna come out later this year. So hope you enjoy. For the first time in a while, I'm gonna leave my house to go on a new adventure. I wonder if I'll remember how to be cool. To be honest, I'm kind of unsure, but I bet I'll remember how to drive my car to go see all my friends, to celebrate the end of a hard school year, and to know that our bad days have ends. 'Cause there's a sunrise on the horizon. The world will finally be free. After months of doubt, I remember I am me. Oh, and as I'm closing this chapter on my life, knowing that it wasn't the best, this nightmare will be over, so I can rest.
Okay, if you liked Ethan's music, there is a link to more of his songs on Spotify in the description below. And if you have any talents, hobbies, side hustles that you are passionate about and want to share, my email is also in the description, and we can see about adding you into a future episode. To close, we have a lovely cheer submission from Isabel Delfos and her adorable dog Mabel. Everybody have a great day. I'll see you next time.